Hi and welcome to this video giving an overview of some of the features of Parawave Rapid. For full disclosure, Parawave were kind enough to supply me with a license for Rapid. However, the thoughts expressed in this video are my own, and Parawave have no say in the content of this video. I have a good friend who writes music in the video games industry, and we regularly swap notes about software and hardware synths. His synth of choice is Rapid by Parawave. It's his workhorse synth, and he's owned it since its initial launch. An established recording artist I met online is also a big fan of Rapid, and it features on most of his releases. So how can professionals who know a good synth when they hear one regularly rely upon Rapid? Yet it's not necessarily the first VST that other musicians think of when asked to name a state-of-the-art virtual instrument. I've been thinking about this over the last month or so since I installed Rapid. You see, a pro user wants excellent sounds naturally, and the ability to create a wide palette of unique sounds quickly and without fuss. So perhaps the first clue was there in the title all along: Rapid. The layout of Rapid has been carefully designed with a fast workflow in mind, and you could be forgiven for thinking that such a compact and functional interface contained yet another virtual analog VST. But you'd be wrong, very wrong. Whilst on first glance you may think that Rapid covers virtual analog and wavetable synthesis, you may not guess that it also handles FM synthesis, correctly described as phase modulation. It loads samples and multi-samples and is probably the most comprehensive granular synthesis engine available right now, and it's even capable of resynthesis. Look even deeper and you'll see that each oscillator has a plug-in effects section allowing ring mod, phase, sync and mirror options. The 25 different filter options are followed by an insert for effects or for a second filter. There are 4 envelopes, 4 LFOs, and 4 shape sequences, plus an arpeggiator. Pro users are used to working to deadlines, and when working to a deadline you'll appreciate that there are presets for common envelope shapes, a range of LFO presets, and you can crossfade between 2 LFO shapes. There's a comprehensive selection of shape sequencer presets, and of course you can save your own work away as presets. The arpeggiator comes with a large array of presets that are quickly editable, and you can even import MIDI files. The mod matrix has a generous 32 slots running across the base of the screen, and there are 7 reorderable effects slots, with what I consider to be the best reverb built into a synth so far. And if you think all that is impressive, you can multiply that power by a factor of 8, as what I've been describing is only one layer out of an available 8, that can be selected courtesy of the tabs running across the top of the synth. Oh dear, this wasn't going to be a review, it was supposed to be a tutorial of all the various synthesis methods, but I can't really go into a tutorial without giving you an overview as to what Rapid is capable of. So what I will do is create a small series of videos starting off with subtractive, wavetable and FM synthesis in Rapid. So if you feel you're ready to step up to Rapid, I hope you'll find the following short series of videos useful. So for now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.